Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinith, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 7th chapter coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 4, 5. See, here it is a only one formula. You have to by heart this formula, then only you can do exercise problems. By seeing, you can't understand this formula. When you are started doing exercise problems, you learn slow and slow. Now, let us start a fourth problem. Now, exercise 7.1, fourth problem. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now, what is given here? Let us write that. What is given here? Let us write it is an A and it is an B and it is an C. What is an A values here? 5 comma minus 2. B values are 6 comma 4 and C values are 7 comma minus 2. Now he said that these are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now by rough, when I will take rough as ABC has a triangle. Now we have to find out the three distances. What are the three distances here? AB distance, BC distance and CA distance. Isosceles triangle is nothing but isosceles means two sides equal, one side unequal. Nothing but two sides or angles are two sides equal, one side is unequal. So it is called as isosceles triangle. Now let us start our solution. Distance between 2 points. Let us find the distance of AB, next BC, next CA. Now distance between 2 points. A, what is the values of A here? 5 comma minus 2 and B 6 comma 4. Now C here, A values are x1, y1, B are x2, y2. No. Now here C 2 values are there no, for A. So here x1, y1, that means 5x1 minus 2 y1. Here 6 x2, y2 no. 6 is x2 and 4 is y2. Now what is the formula of AB? When we mix, what is the formula of AB? Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here, AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equals to, what is x2 here? 6 minus as it is x1 is 5. 6 minus 5, nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square as it is plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 4, y1 is minus 2. y2 is 4 no, 4 I have written as it is, minus as it is, and y1 is minus 2. So here minus is repeating 2 times, so don't confuse it. For not confusing, I have drawn here bracket. So observe this. Whole here 4 minus of minus 2 whole square is equal to now 6 minus 5, 1 root 1 square plus 4 as it is, minus into minus plus 2, 2. 4 plus 2 whole square is equals to root 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 4 plus 2, 6. 6 square is nothing but 6 into 6, that means 36. 1 plus 36 is nothing but root 37. What is the value of root 37 here? What is the distance? AB is a distance. AB is equals to root 37. Next, BC we have to find out the distance. Distance between the 2 points. B. What is B here? 6 comma 4 and C 7 comma minus 2. Now, in this also we have to find out x1, y1, x2, y2. Here it is x1, here it is y1, here it is x2 and here it is y2. Now, what is the formula? BC root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I have written as it is here formula. Now, x2 minus x1 no, 5 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? Minus 2. Minus as it is. And here minus repeating. So minus 2 whole square. Now 5 minus 7. 7 is greater. 7 minus 5. 2. So the greater number which containing which symbol, which sign here? Minus sign. So minus 2 whole square plus minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square is nothing but, I have written as it is, plus minus 2 plus 2 0 square. CA is equals to, now minus 2 so whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2. Square is nothing but 2 times repeating. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 2s are 4. Now 4, root 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square, square root cancel here. What is remaining here? 2. Now observe here, CA is 2, BC is root 37 and AB is root 37. AB and BC are equal and CA only is different. So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and one side is unequal. So AB is equals to BC, nothing but root 37, and CA is equals to 2. So it is an isosceles triangle. Now fifth one, show that the points A, this is a big letter and this is a small letter, A comma 0 comma B minus A comma 0 and C 0 comma A root 3 from an equilateral triangle. Now what is given here? I have written here, and what is given here in this triangle. Now in rough I have drawn a triangle ABC. Now we have to find out the distance of three vertices, three sides, that means A, B, AB, BC and CA. Now let us find the distance of, first of all, AB. Distance between the points. See here it is a formula, distance between the points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Now what is A? A comma 0, B minus A comma 0. This is an x1 and this is an y1. This is x2 and this is y2. Formula is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I have written as it is, and AB is equals to x2 minus x1. No. What is x2 minus A? Minus minus. x1 is A. Minus A whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is 0. 0 minus 0 whole square is equal to minus A minus 2A whole square plus 0 square. So 0 square is not negligible. 0 square is nothing but 0. So nothing is values present. So I have removed here 0. Now minus 2A whole square it can be written as minus 2A into minus 2A. That means 4A square. AB is equals to root 4A square. 4 can be written as 4A square can be written as 4 can be written as 2 square. A square as it is. Now here observe this. This is in the form of A power m into B power m. AB whole power m. That means powers are equal. So bases are different. Bases, I have equated the bases here, 2A whole square. For both terms square is there. So I have written here single term. 2A whole square. Square root cancel. Now AB value is 2A. Next, distance between the points. Next we have to find out the value of distance of BC. What is B here? Minus A comma 0 and C is 0 comma A root 3. Now this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. What is the value of BC here? Formula root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I have written as it is here. x2 is 0, x1 is minus A. x2 is 0 minus, x1 is minus A. So here minus is repeating 2 times. So don't confuse it. Whole square plus y2 is A root 3, y1 is 0. A root 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to 0 minus into minus plus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0, A root 3 only. So 0 is not negligible, no. A root 3 whole square. BC is equals to A square plus A, here two terms are there, A and root 3. So I am separating this square term. A square root 3 whole square. Square root cancel here. And what is remaining here? Root A square plus A square into root 3. Root is cancelled here now. A square into 3. That means 3A square is equal to A square plus 3A square, 4A square. 4A square can be written as 2 square A square, no. That means 2A whole square. I have written here 2A whole square, root, square root cancel here. What is remaining here? 2A. Next we have to find out the distance of CA. See here, C, I have written a value C and A. Values I have written here x1, y1, x2, y2. Same formula I have used here, CA, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See, what is x2 here? A. minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is a root 3 whole square is equals to a minus 0 a only a square plus a minus a root 3 only minus a root 3 minus a root 3 whole square. Now a square I have written as it is plus. Now here two terms are there and now I am separating this square term for both terms. Minus a whole square into root 3 whole square. Now square root cancel here. CA is equals to a square plus minus a whole square is nothing but minus a into minus a. That means a square only. A square. Again 3 is there, no. 3a square. A into 3. Now here minus a whole square is nothing but a square, no. Here 3 is remaining. 3 into a square. 3a square. A square plus 3a square. Nothing but 4a square. 4a square can be written as 2a whole square, no. 2a whole square. 2a whole square, no. Square root cancel here. What is remaining here? 2a. Now observe these. AB value is also 2a. BC value is also 2a. CA value is also 2a. So AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. That means 2a. So it is an equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal here. If you not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. And if you not liked my channel, so please give me a thumbs up. And if you not shared my video, so please keep sharing. The more you share, the more you get. Thank you for watching.